I have a good woman, I ain't good looking, but I do some cooking, I'm the old fat guy. So use that oven if you want some lovin', be like the old fat guy. Be like the old fat guy.
Welcome to the latest edition of You Can Make It with the Old Fat Guy. We've had a record snowfall here at Passing Wind Estate, so it's the perfect time to smoke some wings. I may be crazy, but I'm not going to let a little snow stop me from making something I love. Today I'm going to try a new recipe, General Tso's chicken wings. So let's get the smoker fired up, let's make some General Tso sauce, and of course we've got to start with our famous first ingredient, copious quantities of wine taken internally. I mixed together 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 25 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 milliliters or 1/2 teaspoon sesame oil, 10 milliliters or 2 teaspoons of water, and 25 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of sherry. To the liquid mixture, I added 2 milliliters or 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 35 milliliters or 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. I stirred until the sugar was dissolved. I heated 8 milliliters or 1.5 teaspoon of vegetable oil in a small saucepan over medium heat just until the oil started to shimmer. Then I added 17 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of chopped green onion, 3 milliliters or 1/2 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 milliliters or 1/2 teaspoon of dried chilies, and 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of grated orange zest. I cooked just for a few seconds until there was a strong smell of the seasonings. I stirred the liquid mixture again to make sure the cornstarch was mixed into it and added it to the saucepan. I mixed and stirred over the heat until the mixture started to get thick and shiny, and then I removed it from the heat. I tossed a dozen chicken wing segments with 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of oil. I preheated my smoker to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note that you can make these in an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit just the same as a smoker. I put the chicken wings in the smoker and cooked them for 20 minutes on one side. I turned the wings and cooked them for another 20 minutes. I took the wings out of the smoker and put them in a large bowl. I heated the sauce up just for a few seconds and added it to the wings and tossed them together. Then I put the wings in a serving bowl. So let's try one of the chicken wings. They sure look pretty. Nice crispy skin. Just a touch of sweet, sour spice from the sauce. Absolutely delicious. And you can make it.
When dinner time gets near and your wife has made it clear it's your turn to cook, my dear. You have no need to fear. Make the dinner feed your spouse. Bring peace into your house. You can make it. If you're lucky, she will say, and life will be okay. Life will be okay. You can make it.